Hello everybody, welcome to Mr.A CAD tutorials. Today we will be building hanger jaw. First thing, go to Inventor right now, get off game. Second, open sketch, find new plane, click, draw circle, follow instructions. Okay, go do it better.
Thank you to my lovely assistant for that intro. Let's go ahead and get started here. So we are inside a sketch. Let's go ahead and start at the origin. We're going to draw a vertical line down 3 inches. We are then going to draw a horizontal line 2 inches across. We are going to go down 0.5 inches. 5. And then I'm going to go to the right. I don't know the exact length right now. It's okay. Just keep going. We're then going to go down vertically some more, 0.5 inches again. We're going to draw this line at an angle. Again, once again, I don't know what angle this is, so we'll just go ahead and draw it out here. Horizontal line, 2.75. And then what I'm going to do here is notice how this 0.75 line is a little bit past my origin. I'm going to go ahead and move this over a little bit, scoot this over a little bit here, just so everything can look a little bit more correct. So let's go ahead and keep going. Now we're going to create a vertical line. Again, I don't know the exact length of this vertical line at the moment, but we'll figure that out here in a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and go horizontally, just a little bit again. We don't know, make sure it doesn't snap to anything else. I'm going to hold and click on my line so I can make an arc. I'm going to go back over here to the origin, and I'm going to make a line to the left, 0.25 inches. 0.25 inches. Once again, I'm going to hold my mouse to make an arc. And then I'm going to go ahead and just make a line connecting those two lines together, those two arcs together. Let's go ahead and dimension these arcs here. So let's go ahead and dimension this arc right here. This one's going to be 1.25. This one up here is going to be 0.5. Let's go ahead and make these tangent constraints. There you go. Both the bottom and the top. So we're going to go ahead and do those. And then we need to add a few more dimensions here to make everything look correct. So let me go ahead and move this here down. It's moved up a little bit too high. There we go. So I'm going to dimension from here, this line here, to this line here at the bottom. 1.75. From this line right here to this line right here. 1.25. And then the total height of this from the very bottom down here to the very top up here is going to be 4.75. That's already there. Let's go ahead and dimension it. It's already constrained. Okay, let's go ahead and now figure out this from this vertical line right here to this other vertical line at the very right. This needs to be 4.5 inches. There you go. Let's see. And then there's a little, okay, we do have that line there already dimensioned. Let's see. Oh, we're going to go ahead and we are going to constrain this center of this arc into this right here, this part right here, so we can do that. Alright, so it's not letting me, it's okay, let's work around it. So we're going to dimension from here to here. We're going to say this is going to be 0 inches. There we go. And then, let's see, can we move it up and down? Nope, okay, perfect. I just need this dimension right here. Let's see what that one is. One dimension, let me see. I'm missing one more from here to here. It needs to be 0.75. Okay. Notice how now it's fully constrained. There's no more dimensions missing. Let's finish the sketch. Let's go ahead and extrude this by 3 inches. Next up, I'm going to start a sketch up here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle at the midpoint. The size of the circle is going to be 3 inches. And I'm going to draw it. Actually, no, let's go ahead and just do that. Let's break it up into little sections here. Let's go ahead and extrude this part here. The other way, we're going to go to next. So we want to stop right there. All right, press OK. We're going to start another sketch up here. Circle. We're going to go ahead and make it concentric. Make sure it's find the center of this. If we can't find the center, no problem. Let's go ahead and constrain it. So concentric, and this right here. Perfect. Now it's the center. Just to mention it, the size of the circle is going to be 1.5 inches. Finish sketch, and then we're going to extrude cut all the way through all. Click OK. And here we have the hanger jaw. Once again, thank you to my friend for that beautiful introduction. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer those as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.